Hello. As you all know, cardiac patients can be a problem. But imagine this. A person, you're babysitting a kid about 3 or 4 years old, your friend's kid, is playing on the floor and he doesn't have any problems with his heart or anything, but all of a sudden he collapses. When you check him, he's not breathing, so you call 911. You can't do anything because you don't have CPR certification. So when the medics get there, they they check his heart and he's not breathing. So what are you going to tell his parents? Are you going to tell him that it's your fault or is it his fault? So this is the one of the many cases that CPR certification comes in handy because it can bring a kid back to life or anyone with heart problems. CPR can help many people tremendously and can help them stay alive, and it can save many lives. In this case of a cardiac patient, according to heart.org, giving CPR in an emergency can double or triple a chance of living in a patient. It's also the number one killer in women and more deadly than all cancers. As you all know, cancer can be deadly, but cardiac patients cardiac patients have a less chance of living than cancer patients because the heart makes the body run. If a person that has a cardiac arrest has no immediate treatment, they will have fatal results. And in CPR, if CPR is done, it can double or triple a person's chance of living, and it will help tremendously, as I said before. According to redcross.org, the solution can be easy. All you have to do is become CPR certified. All you have to do is complete a CPR certification course or a first aid training, which is easy. And according to verywell.org, there is 3 levels of CPR certification. The first one is healthcare providers, which is like nurses or medics, which they have to be around cardiac patients or other patients that need CPR daily. They're around them because they're in a hospital or clinics or something like that. The second one is basic adults, which are basically anyone that isn't in the healthcare field. This class, they teach the basic level of CPR treatment. And the last one is for teachers and babysitters, which have to deal with 8-year-old kids or below. That these classes can help people become more confident in what they do on a day-to-day basis. And these classes can be taught at hospitals, fire departments, and some colleges. You can learn a lot from it. All you have to do is go to one of these 3 places and you can learn how to do CPR and when to do CPR on a victim. Being certified for CPR not only will benefit the victim, but it can benefit you. Once you go through all these steps in the CPR certification courses, you'll become confident and have confidence, and other people will be confident in you and respect you. If your child needed CPR and you didn't know how to do CPR or what to do, are you just going to sit there, or are you going to do something? Are you going to do CPR or just call 911? Being CPR certified can help you be confident in what you do and in your decision in doing CPR. You might not want to do it today, but it will be helpful down the road. You're going to need it every once in a while because who knows, you might come across a kid that needs it. You'll be ready to do the following 3 things. You'll be ready to act upon your decisions to do CPR. You'll be ready to perform it, and you'll be ready to care for the victim afterwards. This can be very critical in a cardiac patient because It's very delicate. All you have to do, if you do one wrong step, then they can have a fatal result. And when I get done with this presentation, I would like you to just consider going to a hospital, a fire department, or some community college to become CPR certified and go take the course, because cardiac patients have been dying for many years, and it's time we step up and help them. Thank you.